So here is today's delicious cheese and chorizo omelette. Look at all that. Cheesy. Oh yes. Right, let's show you how I made it. Hi, today I'm going to make a chorizo and cheese omelette with some red peppers, accompanied with some baked beans. So let's do it. Frying pan. Let's turn the stove on. I don't think I'm going to talk too much today, not in the mood. Olive oil. Olive oil is good for you. Don't tell me otherwise. Right. Red pepper. Let's soften it up. And while we wait for that, let's crack the eggs. I'm going to be using 3 eggs. And a splash of milk. Some black pepper. As much as you like. Some salt. As much as you like. And we'll mix it all. The cheese that I'm using, special cheese for melting, and I'm using about 80 to 100 grams. There's more than enough. And the chorizo, if you're wondering why I have it separated, it's because I've taken the rinds off of it. So that should be done. The baked beans, I'll microwave them towards the end. Cheers! It's beer time today. I ran out of wine. I do like baked beans cold also. What about you? Do you like cold baked beans? My aperitif. Lovely jubbly. Let me know in the comments. Right, these peppers, look at them, they look soft enough to me. So I'll just move them into the egg. Don't have to. And I'm going to put about 4 or 5 slices of chorizo. And I'll be cooking this all on medium high. Number 7. Set the extractor fan on a little bit. Right, let's add the cheese. I don't know what. I think there's about 3 different cheeses, you know. It's what I use for my paninis and pizzas. I use it for everything, really. There you go. Spread it about. And let's fold it up. Yay. Still haven't lost my touch. Okay. Let's tear it down. So I'm gonna just leave it on medium, low to medium, just so that the cheese melts, you know. And there's my chorizo and cheese omelette. What do you think? Would you eat this? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching, and see you soon.